principal, pupils, teachers, parents, guests, and the entire Moreno Tadeo Memorial Elementary School community. It is my great honor and pleasure to welcome you all to our school intramurals for the school year 2025-2026. Today is a special day where we come together not just to compete, but to celebrate teamwork, sportsmanship, discipline, and unity. Our intramurals is not just about winning or medals. It's about giving your best, supporting one another, and showing what it truly means to be part of Moreno Tadeo family. To our young athletes, we are proud of every one of you. As you play today, remember to show respect, best to your teammates and opponents. Win or lose, what matters most is that you give your best and your heart enjoy your every moment. To our teachers, coaches, and parents, thank you for your constant support and guidance. You help shape our learners not just in academics, but in characters as well. With that let this fill with every smile and the spirit of healthy communication. Let's cheer for each other and make this event one to remember. Okay. God bless and enjoy. Thank you.